As you can check out, we have these type of spray paints, and when we shake them they sounds something like this. Then I thought that what is inside of it. Yes, and I think you are also curious about knowing that what are the things into it. There are any round shaped, square shaped, or metal or glass, or any kind of thing is over there, and we have two of them. One is empty spray paint and one is full of oil. So let's check out what's inside of it. Tan-ta-da! Today we are going to crushing these both of the spray paints can under the tire of our car. As you can see, this is our car, and I gonna think that what gonna happen, because one is empty and one is full of colors. I'm worried about spilling color on my car, but we are experimental, so we have to do, because we are not mental, we are experimental. Let's begin the video and learn and know that what gonna happen. Let's check out the location first. Now as you can see, the can has been set up, and I'm gonna drive over my car to that can and check out what gonna happen. Oh my god, as you can check out, it's just broken like this, and the thing which was sounding over there not get out. How I can open this? Oh my god, I can't open this right now. I'm gonna go to studio, and after that I will try to open this and gonna show you what's inside of it. Now we are going to taking our paint ones that has a paint, that spray paint is a spray paint can is full of paint and oils, and I'm gonna take that and drive over my car. As you can check out, oh my god, I'm just feeling like that this cane's temperature is very low, because in outside temperature is almost about 32 and 30, and it's just feeling like that it's just 10 degrees Celsius over there on this can, because there was some kind of gases over there, or some kind of experiment or science conditions over there. Now I'm just going to signing off from here. I'm gonna in the last I'm gonna show you that what is inside of this cane. So watch the video, and I'm requesting you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now I'm just opening this cane, as you can see, and there are 4 of glass balls over there. As you can check out, in India we play by these kind of glass balls. If you play in any other country, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more experimental videos like this.